Ekwapims are able to celebrate Odwira because of one famous war we were engaged in, 1826 at Atamanso. When we went to war, and the Ashantis has come all the way to Akatamanso to fight, Ekwapims in that war were able to capture a few things that gave us the right to celebrate Odwira. The Oboman in Takrachel and the Odosu. These are key things that gives us the impetus to celebrate Odwira. So from 1826, at the reign of Nana Addo Dankwa I, that is when Odwira started. So Odwira is very spiritual for the people of Ekwapim in a sense that it reenacts our history as people, where we had come from and where we are and what constitutes us. So Odwira is more spiritual than the social aspect, and also a time to showcase our culture. Odwira has so many meanings. The first meaning of Odwira, it is a period of thanksgiving. It means that we take a section of the year to give thanks to the Almighty God for having seen us through a year. So every Odwira is a symbol of thanksgiving to God. The second thing about Odwira is a period of purification. We believe that every year we should set aside a time to purify the chief, the people, the citizens, in a spiritual manner. So Odwira is a time for purification.
My name is Nana Osim Kwetia II. I am the chief of Amanokrom, and I double as the Jasinghene of Ekwapim. Ekwapim outside Paramount Sea has 5 divisions. These divisions are the Adontin Division, the Kronti Division, Jasi Division, Nifan Division, and Benkum Division. Jasi primarily is the administrative wing of the Omanhene.
Odwira is a period of affirmation. This affirmation is to give and to tell the chief that you are a leader. And so because you are a leader, we are affirming our loyalty to you, that we will never leave you, and that the oath that we swore, we are reenacting it and telling you that we are still with you. Odwira is a period of merrymaking. God has helped you. He has blessed you with money. This is a period to go and find some nice kente cloth, and so some ornaments, some rings, and adore yourself. So Odwira is a period of pomp and pageantry for the people to come together and show the blessings that have been bestowed on them. Say ye be rude, not less than 50,000 people have a fat ecofongo. Now ye be heading, now ye make sure so biara heading huni repractice to be a warm way be mras se fabe in answer ye did too many man.
Ekwapim TV be pauso. Hein.